Salam alaikum. Today, Muslims in Canada and around the world will join together to observe Ramadan, a month of prayer, fasting, and spiritual reflection. As one of the 5 pillars of Islam, Ramadan is an opportunity for Muslims to recommit their faith in God. It is also an opportunity to reaffirm one's commitment to the principles of charity, compassion, and devotion. As Muslims across Canada use Ramadan as a time to help those less fortunate, we are reminded of how all Canadians benefit from our diversity and how we are made strong not in spite of our differences, but because of them. We are all so fortunate to live in a country where people of all faiths are treated with dignity and respect, and where our diversity is celebrated as the source of our shared prosperity. This year, those observing Ramadan will be faced with an even more demanding fast as it falls during our long summer days. For while the days may be long, I'm confident that members of Canada's Muslim community will find strength and comfort in their faith, their family, and their community. On behalf of the Liberal Party of Canada, I'd like to send my very best wishes to all those celebrating this holy month. May peace and blessings be upon you.